Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 158th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Bryan of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. Sri Lanka workshop on youth ministry held for young Salesians. Father Sebagnanam Jesudasan reports from Manukalam.
The workshop at Don Bosco Provincial of Sri Lanka on the basics of Salesian youth ministry proved to be a transformative experience for the students in formation and practical trainees, led by Coordinator for Vocational Guidance in South Asia, Father Gabriel Karunaraj. The workshop introduced participants to Salesian Youth Ministry framework and taught effective methods of accompanying them. The workshop also focused on Salesian pedagogy, reason, religion, and loving kindness. The participants engaged in interactive sessions and practical exercises to gain insights and skills in effectively engaging and supporting young people. Provincial Father Roshan Miranda coordinated the event with support from Father Paul, Vice Provincial, Father Sagai Raj, Economer, and others.
Father Sebagnanam Jesudasan reporting. Pope Francis declared 2025 as the Jubilee Year. Church Art Kolkata offers a fitting inspiration to the Jubilee Year with its collection of life-size statues, 14 Stations of the Cross, 20 Mysteries of the Holy Rosary, Lives of Saints, and innumerable murals on the life of Jesus and liturgical designs to embellish existing church doors. Also available are 10 panels of St. Francis of Assisi's Canticle of Creation to testify your institution's green commitment. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco past pupil by email churchart.ganguli@gmail.com or WhatsApp, Telegram, country code 91 98310 20945. East Timor 15 youth join Salesian cooperators. Father Jolino Vieira reports from Delhi.
On the feast days of Our Lady of Fatima and Saint Mary Mazzarello, 15 men and women made their promise as Salesian cooperators before Provincial Father Anacleto Pires. Don Bosco himself established the Association of Salesian Cooperators in 1876. After a long process of discernment and accompaniment, they made their promise to God to cooperate with the local Salesian community to spread the charism of Don Bosco wherever they live and work. The event was held at a solemn Eucharist presided over by Father Anacleto, along with cooperators delegate Father Silvano de Oliveira, in the presence of 2 Salesian sisters, leader of Salesian cooperators, and other members of Salesian cooperators from Laga and Dili chapters. The majority of the new members are professional teachers, and some are married, but some single members dedicate themselves to the welfare of young people, live and are guided by the Salesian spirit.
Father Jolino Vieira reporting. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. India Summer Camp helps vulnerable children learn arts and cultivate dreams. Mervyn Joy reports from Chennai.
The Salesian province of Chennai organized a 5-day residential camp for underprivileged children from 12th to 16th May 2023. The camp, organized by youth delegate Father John Christie for some 200 children, aimed to create awareness on equality, diversity and social inclusion. During the camp, the children were introduced to 10 art forms with the help of 15 volunteers and 15 resource persons. This camp also provided life skills education to develop and practice skills necessary for defense and promotion of their own and other people's rights. Divided into 10 groups of 20 each, the children learnt a particular art form, spending 6 hours each day learning it. After morning and evening life orientation talks, in the afternoon, children learned dance and action songs with the help of Salesian clerics. At night, the campers had the typical Salesian fun and entertainment like campfires, family circle, and watching movies before they could retire to bed. The summer camp concluded with a valedictory function showcasing the art forms they learned.
Mervyn Joy reporting. India New Don Bosco College opens with 8 departments. Associate Professor Dr. Mary Binu reports from Bangalore.
Don Bosco College, Bangalore, is the 9th university education institution of Bangalore province. It is affiliated to Bengaluru North University since 2022. Currently, there are 6 departments, including Arts and Humanities, Science, Commerce, and Management stream. The college is built in a spacious and green campus spread over 40 acres in the heart of Bengaluru. The infrastructure of the college creates a positive and healthy learning environment for the students and faculty members. The college has a state-of-the-art technology that enhances the teaching and learning experience on campus and drives innovation and creativity in education. The motto of the college is Learn and Lead, and strives to provide holistic education and chisel future leaders.
Dr. Mary Binu reporting.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.